Imagine you're sitting at your desk, phone in hand, waiting for a crucial text. You've been refreshing your messages for what feels like hours, but nothing. Then you remember that you recently switched to Ooma for your home phone. Does Ooma SMS? That's the question we're going to answer today. Ooma. A quick overview. Ooma is a popular VoIP voice over Internet protocol service that offers affordable home phone plans. It's known for its crystal-clear call quality, advanced features, and easy setup. But when it comes to texting, things get a bit more complicated. The short answer: no. Ooma doesn't directly support SMS. So, to cut to the chase, Ooma doesn't have a built-in SMS feature. You can't send or receive text messages directly through your Ooma phone number. Why doesn't Ooma have SMS? You might be wondering why a modern VoIP service like Ooma wouldn't offer such a basic feature as SMS. Well, there are a few reasons. Technical limitations. While VoIP technology has come a long way, there are still some technical hurdles to overcome when it comes to integrating SMS seamlessly into a home phone service. Market focus. Ooma has primarily focused on providing high-quality voice calls and other features that cater to the needs of home phone users. SMS, while popular, might not be as essential for their target audience. Competition. Ooma faces competition from other VoIP providers and traditional phone companies that offer SMS as a standard feature. By focusing on other areas where it can differentiate itself, Ooma can maintain its competitive edge. Workarounds for SMS with Ooma. Just because Ooma doesn't have native SMS support doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. There are a few workarounds you can consider. Use a separate smartphone. This might seem obvious, but it's still a viable option. Simply keep your smartphone handy and use it for texting. You can even set up call forwarding from your Ooma number to your smartphone so you don't miss any calls. Third-party apps. There are several third-party apps available that can add SMS functionality to your Ooma phone. These apps often work by using your Ooma number as a gateway for text messages. However, be cautious when choosing a third-party app, as some may have limitations or require additional fees. Ooma Mobile App. While the Ooma Mobile app doesn't offer direct SMS functionality, it can be helpful for managing your Ooma account and making calls. You can also use your smartphone's native texting app for SMS. Is Ooma right for you? If SMS is a must-have feature for you, Ooma might not be the best choice. However, if you're primarily looking for a reliable home phone service with good call quality and other features, Ooma can be a great option. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, does Ooma SMS? Unfortunately, no. However, there are workarounds available, such as using a separate smartphone or exploring third-party apps. Ultimately, whether or not Ooma is right for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.